Sell your offer, skill your business. Struggling, sell your offer and skill your business. You don't need more followers. You need the right strategies that can convert. In today's video, I'm going to share exact tools I use sell with confidence, handle objection like a pro, and build a business that scale while you sleep. Whether you are a coach, a creative, service-based entrepreneur, if you got an offer but not have enough buyer, that is for you. We'll break down how to sell your offer with ease, without being pushy, how to turn maybe to yes, and how to set up a scaling system that actually works. Hey, this is Chuntianle. I'm a best-selling author. I help artists scale your online business. I help the client scale the online business. I'm here to help you to do the same. Now I'm going to talk about the part 1. Why your selling offer doesn't sell. Why your offer isn't selling, number 1. Let's start with the truth. If your offer isn't selling, that's probably not because it is bad. It is because one of these 4 things is broken. Something is broken in one of the 4 things. Number 1, your message isn't clear. Your message is unclear. If people don't immediately get what problem you solve, they scroll away. Number 2, you're talking to the wrong audience. Niche down until your offer feels like it is made for them. Number 3, it is not positioned as a must-have. If your audience doesn't feel urgent or value, they won't act. It is not positioned as a must-have. It should be urgent. It should have value. Number 4, lack of proof. People buy what they trust. Testimonials, demos, or even before and after story build that trust. Fix this, and your sales flow will shift immediately. Let's recap the 4 reasons. One of the 4 reasons you might miss, or you miss all of them. Message is unclear. You are talking to the wrong audience, and it is not positioned as a must-have, and lack of proof. Now, part 2, mastering sales conversion. Must sales conversation to convert. Now, let's talk about closing sales without being salesy. Start with empathy, not a pitch. Ask a question. Let them tell you their problem. This is number 1. Start from empathy. And number 2, phrase your offer as a solution. Frame your offer as a solution. Don't talk about feature. Paint the result, not the feature. It is the result, the outcome. Use permission-based selling. Say something like, would it be helpful if I show how I can help? Use story, not script. People connect with transformation, not a bullet point. Sell isn't about pressure. It is about alignment. It is about transformation. Now we talk about objection handling. How to handle the objection? Here's a simple framework. Acknowledge it. Acknowledge it. I hear you. That makes sense. I hear you. That makes sense. Clarify it. Can I ask you, what makes you feel that way? Clarify it. Acknowledge it. Clarify it. Reframe it. Many of my clients feel the same until they saw the result. So your job is not to fight objection. It is uncover and gently dissolve them. The part 4, scaling with system. Once you're selling consistently, scaling is about system, not hustle. Build a repeatable funnel. Freebie, nurture, call, close. Automate follow-ups and book with the tools. Outsource you don't need to do. Your time equal to growth fuel. Growth fuel. Productize your service and create a high-ticket group offer. Productize your service and create a high-ticket group offer. Scaling isn't magic. It is building once and let it work 24/7. Now it's going to take action. Now you have got roadmap. The roadmap. The roadmap. Sell confidently. Handle objection with ease. And skill with a system that work. Not burnout. If you're done trading time for money and ready to scale, drop a ready in the comment. Make sure to subscribe because it will support you and support the other people. Let's grow your business the smart way. Let's recall what we talked today. Let's recap. What did we talk today? Sell your offer, skill your business. Struggling, sell your offer and skill your business. You don't need more followers. You need the right strategies to convert. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what I used in selling in real life. How to handle the objection and build a system that skill while you sleep. Whether you're a coach or entrepreneur, if you got an offer but not enough buyer, this video is for you. I'm going to break down how to sell the offer with ease without being pushy. How to turn maybe to yes and set up skilling system actually work. So Now there's why. I'm going to ask you a question. Why your offer isn't selling? Let's start with the truth. If your offer isn't selling, it's probably not because it is bad, because one of these 4 reasons. Your message is unclear, and you are talking to the wrong audience. Message is not clear, you're talking to the wrong audience. It is not positioned as a must, emergency, and value. And lack of proof. Testimonial, demo, they are all testimonials. Show your testimonials. Fix this. Your offer flow will shift immediately. Now let's talk about closing sale. And without being salesy. Start with empathy, not a pitch. Frame your offer as a solution. Provide a value. Not the feature, is a result. And use permission-based selling. And use story, not a script. People connect with transformation, not a bullet point. So we also need to handle the objection. How to handle the objection? Acknowledge it. Acknowledge, I hear it. That makes sense. Clarify it. Can I ask you what makes you feel that way? Clarify it. And reframe it. Many of the clients feel the same until they see the result. Reframe it. Also, your job is not fight the objection. It is uncover and gentle dissolve it. Dissolve them. So we are going to build up the scaling system. Once you are selling consistently, skill is about a system, not about a hustle. Build a repeatable funnel and automate follow-up and book with a tool. And booking with the tools. Outsource what you don't need to. Time is your fuel. Productize your service and create a high-ticket group offer. So, when you want to scale your business, when you want to sell your offer, so what is the 4 reasons you cannot sell? You have the offer, you cannot sell. And how to handle the objection. And how to master the selling conversation. What is the 4 reasons cannot sell? How to handle the sell conversation. And how to handle the objection in the sale. And scale with the system. If my message inspired you, if you're interested in my program, welcome to join. Comment below to share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. It will help this video reach more people and help more audience and support other people too. Thank you for watching. See you next time.